All right, guys, we are working on a 24-inch by 24-inch canvas. I have coated my canvas with a mixture of Golden's iridescent gold, but most of it is a high gloss white house paint. Let me see who it's, I think it's by, let me see here. Interior Sherwin-Williams gloss, and yeah, so I tinted it with the Golden's iridescent gold. So what we're gonna do here, we are gonna do a funnel pour. I haven't done a funnel pour in forever, and we have our funnel right here. So let me get some gloves on. We'll see how this goes. This is actually a deep base that needed to be tinted, and I just added some of the Golden's iridescent gold. I'm really interested in seeing how it dries, because I've never used like deep base as untinted deep base as my base for a painting, except a bloom, I think. I have no idea. I don't follow the bloom stuff, but we'll see. All right, so I put some extra right here, which is good. So what I'm gonna do is come in here, and I am gonna add, and I'm just gonna hold this nice and steady and put the colors down the edge inside the funnel. Oh no, I don't want to use that. I think I'm going to come in with the white. Actually, I'm going to drop some into the bottom, so that's one way of doing it. The Pebeo iridescent blue green. I have Golden's Payne's gray. We have Pebeo green yellow, iridescent that is. I come in with some more white, and then I have this beautiful blue mixture. I'm just going to bring it across. Just bounce it up and down. Do that. And the rest of the Payne's gray. Now I'm going to add some of this. That in the water. All right. Now here, we got some movement going on here. We're gonna give it a torch. think what I want to do is just bring in and fly it across the room. That's all right. Nobody's here. It's my kitchen, not yours. And I love this. So we are going to stretch out this bottom portion. And I am actually just going to stretch it right off and really elongate that. I actually love just that. And that's okay, because what I'm going to do is, in a minute, I'm going to scoop up what we just lost over there and add it to something else. Yeah, I'm loving that. Okay. Who knew? And I actually don't mind all the little splatters in here. I'm already got plans on what to do with the rest of this. I love this in here as well, and all of these lines. So I do feel like this is a bit of a waste, but I'm gonna get my dustpan, so bear with me. And I think I'm gonna scoop that up because there's plenty to scoop up there. Some of this, what I'm gonna do is that. So that's some of the same leftover paint. I am gonna come over here and get my shovel ready. And we're just gonna put it on there. And we're gonna get this. All right, we're gonna put that there. Look, we're saving everything. I love this piece. Did I tell you how much I love that piece? All right, now let's see. What we, sometimes things happen when you least expect it, and that right there is exactly that. One of those, kind of like a happy little accident, if we want to quote a little Bob Ross. I'm actually going to leave this just like this. I know it's not finished, so don't fret. Do that. Where is the rest of, there it is. I'm only going to do that. Now you can't see, but obviously I'm stretching this all out now. I didn't want too much of the beige going on there. So I'm just kind of helping everything move. And I want to get more of this down. So if you'll just be patient with me for a second. I am getting it off that corner. Come on. Boy, it doesn't want to move. I'm really stretching this one out. Oh my God. This is going to be awesome. You can see gold and the green in there. This one is going to be a fun piece. I think I'm going to do gold lines on it. There we go. Yes. All right, I'll take my gloves off before I drip on something. All right, let's torch this. Oh my God, this is awesome. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean up the corners and edges and whatnot, and then we'll bring you guys back in just a moment for a close-up. All right. So here is the little one. I'm loving all these lines and all the variegated color in this. I love the little cells that have popped up, the gold and super gold and iridescent like turquoise in there. I'm not sure if it's picking up, but this one is gonna look awesome when I'm done with it. I already have a great idea and a plan. Okay, so here's the big one, which, you know, I definitely did too much of the funnel, but that's okay because I was able to scoop it up and think on my feet and be quick about it. But look at that. It looks so cool. And I love the splashes of the Payne's Gray here and there. I probably would have loved it just the same if it didn't have it, but I actually like them because I'm going to be adding hand-painted gold lines to this as well. This is like, kind of looks like vertebrae. It's almost like a fish. I don't know. A skeleton of some sort, but oh man, I'm totally like digging this one a lot. I'm so sorry for the overhead lights. If I turn it off, you can't really see much of anything. But anyways, super happy with this one. I am definitely gonna try this again. All right, guys, you have a great day. Thanks so much for hanging in there with me and being patient and not, well, maybe you were yelling at me through the computer. Who knows? But it's all good. Oh, come see me at the DC Fab, Washington, DC, Fluid Art Boutique on the 6th, 7th, and 8th of August. You guys have a great day. Bye.